Gold just gave traders one of the biggest clue we have seen in week. But almost everyone is looking at the wrong signal. After the Fed held rates steady and gold fought back above the psychological level of 4,000, the market is sitting at a decision point that could trigger a move hundred of dollars worth hundred of dollars. The next 5 trading days could define August trend, and it's this video I'll show you the exact support and resistance and institutional levels you need to watch. Don't skip this one and watch till the end so you'll understand how the levels are being shown that makes the move the gold much faster. If you see on the current market scenario, we have seen the price is trading around 4053.71 dollars, recovering from a recent weakness and posting its first monthly gain in 5 months. Although Friday's stronger US dollar erased part of Thursday's rally, the Federal Reserve cap rates unchanged, but market remained divided over whether the hike could be come in September or that uncertainty is keeping volatility elevated, placing XAUUSD at a major technical crossroads. On the fundamental things, what we have seen, the next week trader could focus on US labor market, especially the upcoming non-farm payroll report along with unemployment data. Strong employment numbers would reinforce expectation that the Fed could keep policy tighter for longer, pushing treasury yield and the US dollar higher, especially a bearish combination of gold. On the other hand, weaker than expected job data could increase expectation that the Fed may stay on hold longer, weakening the dollar and potentially attracting fresh buying into gold. Where we are seeing the mixed macro forces. Safe haven demands remain unsupported or supported ongoing geopolitical tension in Middle East. China's physical demand has improved as the yuan strengthened while Indian demand remained relatively soft. Treasury yield remain elevated, limiting aggressive upside despite the recent rebound. So fundamentally gold is caught between safe haven buying and higher for long-term interest rate. See the technical chart we have seen on a weekly basis. The structure show a broader corrective phase. Okay, after the gold earlier recorded high at this level, we have seen that the price has touched a level of around 39.58 and from there it started going upside. Now trading around $40-$55. If you look at this particular trend, we have seen buyer defended the important level of 4,000 levels, and that is a psychological zone preventing a deeper breakdown. The major support we can see still is 4,000 level and $40 because the price is above this level, but a stronger resistance coming at a $4170. If you see from this angle, you will see that after crossing 4130, chances of going towards 4170, which is a very strong level, and this is previous week's high. Okay, a confirmed weekly close above resistance could improve the medium term bullish outlook, while a rejection could keep the correction intact. If you see the RSI, MACD, all these and the weekly volume indicate buyers have returned, although conviction remain limited. Okay, so what you have to see on this side, that if it sustain, we can see the next level coming at 4100, which is also an important level. From there we can see it can move towards 4120, which is this particular week high, and then it will move towards 4170, which is an important level on the week's high. So probability after sustaining 4170, we can see a level of 4200. From there it can move towards $42.20, which is a weak level, and then there will be a zone breakout. So probability is high, it can cross above a level of 42.52. From there we can see the price can touch a level of around $43.80, okay, which is R4. And then the price can move further upside because this is the strongest level, and then further high can be seen, or we can say there can be a bullish trend. But if it started falling below that level, we can see it can fall towards a level of $40.20, then to a level of 4,000 level. Okay, a 40.40 is important level, 4,000 important level, and a psychological level. And once started going below this level, we will see that price can fall towards 39.80, and then from there it will move below $39.40, which is support 3. So a further downfall can be seen, and then we will see it will come down towards 3900, and once the price fall below that level, a further downfall can be seen. Okay, because there will be a zone breakout, so we will see that price can go further down. On the daily chart, you can see, or a lower time frame, you will understand more clearly how the price is moving. If you see on the daily chart, we can see that the price is trading around 40.54. If it's sustaining that level, we can see the price can, on the 20-day EMA, you can say, or a 50 EMA, the next dynamic is a resistance level. Okay, on 200 EMA, but we focus mainly on price action, resistance and support. So understand the demand zone is around 40.20 or 40.40, or a supply zone is around 40.60 to 4180, possibly fair value gap left during the weekly rally. Okay, liquidity resting above the recent highs, and a break structure could above a resistance, on the buyers gaining control, while the rejection followed by change of character to the next support. Okay, suppose if it started falling, it can come down towards a level of around 40.40, from there a level of 40.10, and then we will see it will fall below a level of 4000 and can touch 3990, and then we can see a level of 3960, then a breakdown can be fall towards downside. But if it keep rising, it can touch 4080 level to a level of 4100. Once started rising, it can move towards 4140, then a further upside can be seen towards 4160, then a further upside can be seen, which we'll be seeing towards 4180, and then towards higher side. So on the bullish side, we can see the price above 4170, a further upside can be seen towards 4240, and then further high. On the daily, a resistance level and a strong volume should be there, as well as the dollar should weaken. But on the bearish side, it can come down towards 4020 to 4000, and then that is an important level you have to see, and this is a psychological level. On the daily close, we have seen that if the price or the dollar gets strengthened, then only we can see the price can of gold can come down. So remember, no setup is guaranteed. Risk is only a small percentage of your account on each trade. Wait for confirmation instead of chasing candles. Never let emotion override your plan. And during news, you have to understand that try to reduce the quantity, or try not to trade if you are not aware or you are a beginner. Gold is sitting at a right or make or break level. Next week's jobs data could be a catalyst that finally sends it into a major breakdown or another sharp correction. I'll be watching this neutral level closely, because once they break, the move could be fast and explosive. If this analysis helped you, smash the like button, subscribe and turn on notification. Every week I break down gold, silver, crude and natural gas, the biggest trading opportunities before the street, and I'll see you in the next one.